Welcome to coolcashcars.com, coolcashcarsatl.com. Okay, so basically, whenever I make a video, it's usually because I've come across a unique issue, and I'm basically what you call a YouTube mechanic. I'm going to go YouTube it. I'm going to see if the degree of difficulty. Now, my philosophy, if one man can do it, I can do it, given the right knowledge and the right tools. So we come across another situation here. This is with my personal vehicle. As you can see, my lovely 2019 X5 i40. So mind you, there won't be a whole lot of information on this car because it's so new. So that was the challenge I was getting. Long story short, I left my sunroof open for almost a week. I mean, I'm driving past the car every day, not realizing that my sunroof is open. So, you know, because I spend a little bit of time with all the cars. So I get back to the X5, the battery's dead. Alright, so the battery's dead. So the battery's dead. It took me about 2 hours to charge it. I don't know why, but I think it died because of the water. So then it wouldn't start. When you press the start button, it wouldn't start. So I came up, I said, damn, I know this got the auto start. So I did the auto start, and I was able to drive off. But what happened, the start stop button was intermittently working. And then eventually what happened is it had left me stranded. Even the auto start was working, but then you have to press the start stop to pull off. Then that stopped working. So I said, you know what? I'm trying to find ignition relays and all this. None of that applies to this car. So basically, I found a video of how to take the shifter off. So what I did was basically I took that old control unit out. And then, I'm looking at it. I said, okay, cool. The starter button, which probably is also the equivalent of an ignition switch, but it's probably, I'm not a technical guy, but there's a little common sense here. It's an electronic. Everything is digital. So I noticed that, the iDrive and all that stuff. Now, let me see here. See, here we go. This is what I took out. So you could order this. All right, so now, if this happens to you, this stuff right here comes out. So I'm driving the car right now, by the way. I plugged up the new one and started up right away. So we're going to go home. We're going to take all this up and put back in the other one. And, but if you see here, the switch is a part of the device, so the whole thing is a computer. All right, so if this happens to you, you might want to go on eBay. Most of them are in Germany, but I was lucky enough to find this one in California. It came in 2 days. Ordered it Thursday, was there Saturday afternoon. Plugged it in and started up right away. So if this happens to you, I'm going to go ahead and put all this tech together, but I just wanted to put this out there because whenever I can't find information on something and I figure it out, I'm going to share. So this happens to you and your start stop button is not working at all, meaning that it's not responding to nothing. And then if your ignition, you can, I narrowed it down to my ignition as well, and there's a function on your scanner that you should be able to press it and start the car. So if it doesn't work, and it fails, because it's a physical thing. So yeah, so that's it, man. Oh yeah, these things right here, brand new, is $2,000. I caught this one used on eBay for $310 delivered. Boy, go call the dealer, because they're going to tell you they don't know what the hell you're talking about. Tow it to them. So for what it would cost to really tow it to the dealer and diagnostic would have been more than $300. I was able to figure this out. Cool Cash Cars, I'm out. Let me know in the comment section if this ever happened to you and what did you do to resolve it. And hopefully this will save somebody a headache or a lot of money if it happens to you, because BMWs are expensive.